Hello and welcome everyone. In this tutorial we will learn how to convert a QR code into a PDF using IronQR and IronPDF libraries. First, make sure you have both IronQR and IronPDF NuGet packages installed in your project. Let's move to the program.cs file. Here we begin by adding the IronQR license key. It ensures full functionality and removes any trial watermarks. Now let's generate a QR code. We are using the QR writer .write method and passing the text Hello World to encode. The result is a QR object which we convert to any bitmap from the Iron software, drawing namespace using the save method. Next, we save the any bitmap as an image file named qr.pmg. This image will be used for PDF conversion. Now let's switch to IronPDF. First, specify the path to your QR image. Make sure the file exists before proceeding to avoid errors. In this case, the image will already be present from the previous step. Using the image to PDF converter .image to PDF method, we convert the QR image directly into a PDF and save it with the name QR code image to PDF.pdf. Let's run the application and wait for the processing to complete. Here we have our QR code image and the PDF file created with that image successfully embedded. With IronQR and IronPDF, you can do much more, like generating barcodes, signing PDFs, editing content, and adding custom styling. Feel free to explore more advanced PDF and QR features with IronSwift tools. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And to get started with IronPDF, please sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. You can click in the link below in the description and you can try for yourself.